And thank you so much for taking time and coming to attend this important event. I would like to express my deepest appreciation to His Excellency, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, and his team for co-hosting this critical consultation to reflect together on our past cooperation and chart path forward for the next country program of cooperation between Government of Timor-Leste and UNFPA for the period of 2026 and 2030. UNFPA's mission is all about people, particularly improving health and well-being of women and girls and young people. We support over 150 countries and territories to end preventable maternal death, end unmet need for family planning, to end gender-based violence and harmful practices against women and girls by 2030. These are ambitious goals, but within our reach, by joining hands together for a better future for all. In Timor-Leste, UNFPA has been enjoying very productive, trusted partnership with government. Our country programs have been always aligned with the government plans and priorities.
I remember we are here less than 2 months. We have the consultation programs for UNICEF, for WFP, for UNDP, and today for UNFPA. This is a great family that we work together for the collective good of our people. I'm honored to address you today as the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation to mark the consultation of UNFPA's new country program 2026-2030, which outlines the strategic priorities, interventions and programs, activities that are in line with Timor-Leste's strategic development plan 2011-2030. The agenda of the national priorities and needs, as well as the 5-year program of the 9th constitutional government. It represents a significant milestone in our ongoing efforts to promote sustainable development and advance the well-being of all individuals, particularly women and girls and youth in our country. The partnership between the Government of Timor-Leste and UNFPA is a testament to our shared commitment to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals and ensuring that no one is left behind. Under the current country program of UNFPA, we have worked together to address key challenges related to population and development, reproductive health, gender equality, and youth employment. The programs focus on promoting maternal health, family planning, and access to comprehensive sexual and reproductive health services has been crucial in ensuring the health and well-being of our population. By investing in these areas, we can empower women and girls, reduce maternal mortality, and create a more equitable society for all. Furthermore, the program's emphasis on youth empowerment and gender equality underscore our collective efforts to build a more inclusive and sustainable future for our country. By investing in the education, employment, and participation of young people, particularly young women and men, we can unlock their full potentials to drive progress across all sectors. Together, we can forge a robust vision and develop programmatic areas that support the realization of our national priorities in a more coordinated, transparent, and responsible manner. I wish you all fruitful deliberations as we move forward together. Thank you. Muito obrigado.